Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, you will need to turn on your watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the side button. Once you see the logo, you can release the button, and after the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the Mibro Fit application on your phone. To do it, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the Play Store, tap on the search bar, then type in Fitbro, or rather Mibro Fit, and then tap search. You should see this application, Mibro Fit. Tap on the install button to install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open button to open it. Here, tap on agree, then tap on open Mibro Fit, swipe left on the screen, then tap on login. Now we need to log in into an account. You can also create a new account if you need to by tapping on registration, or you can use the third-party applications, or accounts rather, to log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address, then tap right here, enter the password. And once you're done entering the email and password, you need to also check this box right here to agree to the terms of use, and then you can tap on login to log in. After you log in, you will be asked to allow some permissions. You can tap on the boxes next to them to get redirected to the specific pages, and there you can allow the permissions. I'm just gonna tap on X right here to skip this, and then tap on cancel. Now, after you're done with the permissions, you should see the home page of the application. Tap on the equipment icon, then tap on add device, allow the permission for the location. The app should start searching for your watch, and as you can see here we have it, not Mibro Air, the first one, XPAW004. That's the watch we want to select, so let's tap on it to select it. Then tap on carry out, and I know. And as you can see, the Mibro Lite right here appeared on the list of devices. That means that the devices are paired. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.